Okay. Hello, my name is Evan. I'm 8 years old, and this is my competition project. This thing is where you import Pygame and then import random, which makes the code work. And this Pygame thing is like allows me to make like a code. And then these are the colors. And this is the screen width, height, and then these are the instructions to tell you what to do when you're playing the game. And these are the classes, and this is the class. And then this is the title. And then this is the background music. And then here's where we add the sprites of these. And this is a player. And then this tells you, it's like a variable in the game, which tells you how many trash you collected. Then there's total 500. And then this is the game.
I've got a diamond for a heart, my eyes glow in the dark, they'll never ever hurt me easy. I've got a wither for a soul and many evil goals. I prowl on your world for no reason, disturbing the villages I